Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marygrace. Today I'm having my sisters come over for dinner. We're going to be on the roof deck, which is 2 floors up, so I wanted to do something that was really casual and really easy, where I didn't need a fork and a knife and eat on paper plates. My sister is bringing some homemade chimichurri sauce. Chimichurri sauce is excellent on beef, so I decided to make shredded beef tacos. My beef chuck roast is in the crock pot, cooking away with some beef broth and some Mexican seasonings like chili powder and paprika, of course salt, pepper, but some crushed red peppers and garlic. In there 2 hours on high. I'll leave it in another 2 hours and then it will come out just beautifully shredded. We will put the shredded beef on these Mama Lupe low carb tortillas that I talk about all the time. They only have 3 carbs per tortilla and they taste excellent and they cook excellent too. So I can heat them up and they don't get weird like all the other ones I've tried. Cilantro rice and refried beans. Well, how can that be keto, you ask? I'm sauteing my onions now and into that cauliflower rice. Bag number 2. There's 6 of us, so I don't think 1 bag's enough. Into my cauliflower rice, I will put some Mexican seasonings. It's going to be cilantro rice, so at the end I will put a bunch of cilantro in it. Some 21 seasoning salute, my go-to seasoning. And I'll go ahead and put in my onions for my black beans too. Crushed red pepper, onion salt. And into my pot that is going to make my refried beans, I'll put some chili powder, a bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of cumin, and of course salt. And I'll set this in the back to cook up. Now for my refried beans, I took the beans and dumped them into a colander and rinsed them because they get this weird like jelly on them. I don't know why that they do, but they do. So I rinsed them and now I'll put them into this pot. And this was 3 cans. And now for the fun part. Take my handy dandy immersion blender and turn them into refried beans. I could take a masher and mash them down, but what a pain in the ass that is. They are called refried beans, so I'm going to put a little bit more oil in there. I think these get a little bit dry. They're excellent. You would never know that they weren't real pinto beans that are full of carbs. And get to my cauliflower rice. A head of cilantro. I'm going to chop it all up, put some in my rice, and use the rest for garnish. I cook my cauliflower rice until it doesn't have the texture of cauliflower anymore. So it's more of a hard texture like rice would be. Now that it's cooked, I will put some Kerrygold unsalted butter in because butter makes everything better. Some cilantro and we'll have cilantro rice. If you didn't want to go through the trouble of spicing refried beans, you could always just pour some salsa in there. Then you wouldn't have to do your onions or your garlic or any of those spices because it's all in the salsa. The same is true for the shredded beef. If you didn't want to do beef stock and all of those spices, you can just dump a bowl of salsa in there and it'll give it all the flavors and all of the spices that it needs. Love the smell of fresh cilantro and I really love this. Adding fresh herbs to a dish to me is what puts it over the edge, fresher and different. So to my cauliflower rice, I'm going to add a half of a lemon and some freshly chopped cilantro. This is just if you want to do cilantro rice. Otherwise, your Mexican rice. Isn't that gorgeous? How would you ever know that it's low carb? Thank you so much for watching. I'll show you the shredded beef tacos once they're done.